attorneys. And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Cecilia Gutierrez.
Good Friday morning. You're taking a live look at Sky 5 South Padre Island. 6:14 this morning and not a lot of cloud cover. I mean, I could count the clouds on the screen on one hand. There's what, 4 clouds out there? It is a beautiful day, and it's going to be a beautiful day even with those temperatures. We are off to a cool start this morning. Those temperatures hitting the 60s, 64 degrees in Rio Grande City, 70 in McAllen, and we are in the upper 60s throughout most of the valley. Now you get closer to the coast, you're going to be a little bit warmer. So 73 in Port Isabel, 71 in Brownsville, 81 at South Padre Island. Now the last time we started a day in the 60s, the last June with that, we don't have to look too far back in 2012, 69 degrees on June 6th. For Brownsville, 68 degrees back in 2016. And the same in Harlingen back in 2016. So starting our mornings in the 60s for the month of June doesn't come around too often, but that's not to say that it doesn't come around at all. So if you're going to walk the dog today, it's a good day for that. Temperatures will be in the 80s by noon. That is not a typo. Around 84 by noon. By 2 p.m. hitting 90 degrees. 94 by 4 p.m. Mostly sunny skies, and the humidity stays low. We stay in the mid 60s. So for this time of year, being in that muggy category is perfect because we don't get that much of a heat index. So the highest heat index we get today is by around 3 p.m., 95. So we're in the caution zone for that. But other than that, our heat index stays extremely low. Normal high temperature for this time of year is around 94. We are right at that today. We are nowhere near these record highs. Check this out. The record highs in the triple digits for the most part. Nowhere near that. Tomorrow, we hit a high of 90 degrees. Can you believe that? 90 degrees tomorrow, 91 on Sunday. If I could just bottle up this weather and keep it, oh man, I would, because your beach forecast looking really good, mostly sunny tomorrow and into Sunday. That rain chance stays extremely low and the winds stay out of the north, so the humidity continues to stay low. Waves at 2 to 3 feet. The surf looking pretty good, and the couple of rip currents are possible, but a very low rip current risk. So here's why we have this beautiful weather. Upper level ridge, that big blue H, that high pressure just completely encasing Texas, and when we get this pattern, we stay dry and we stay pretty warm, and we get that air from the north, and when that air comes from the north, we get cooler air. So future track hinting at a couple of sea breeze showers wanting to pop up, but I think tomorrow we stay mainly dry. I think it's Sunday when the ridge starts to weaken that the rain chance really starts to come back. So your rain chances for the next couple of days, 10% chance on Sunday, 10 on Monday. We might have to increase that to around a 20% chance of rain, but then we're at 20 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And you know what? Your temperatures, they stay in the 90s. Look at this. 90 degrees tomorrow, 91 on Sunday and Monday, 92 Tuesday, Wednesday, and then 94 on Thursday. So the highest temperatures for your 7-day forecast sitting at 94 degrees. And we sit at 94 degrees today and into tomorrow. But I want you to pay attention to the overnight lows. So the overnight lows tonight, 66, tomorrow night 66, then we are in the 70s. So the humidity starts to come back, but just slightly. So really good hair days for the next couple of days. I would take advantage of that. We're going to continue tracking that for you, and that's your First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back after this.